Welcome guys. In today's video I will teach you how to create your own WhatsApp link. So let's get started. Currently WhatsApp do not support that really, so we are going to create the link ourselves. WhatsApp link is super useful because you can just share it in your social media pages and other platforms. So someone can just start messaging you directly without any glitch. So here we go. So you type in https then column / then what.me. This is WhatsApp web address, then slash. Here you put your country code and international code where you are from, then your phone number. So for me now I will go with, and do not put any symbols which are any plus, just the international code and followed by the number. So we just copy the link now. Let's copy it. Here is our link already generated. So let's go to our browser and try it out. You just paste it in here and here we go. So you see, so we just, this is how everybody will see it when using it. So you click on chat. Let's see what that. So here is it, and this is how it works. Easy peasy. Thank you.